That is an anthurium, known for its bright waxy spathas and contrasting spadix. That's a Dieffenbachia, known for its broad, patterned leaves. Plant, Spathiphyllum, also known as peace lily. Characteristics: broad, glossy leaves, white flowers, shade tolerant. This plant is the cassava manihot esculenta, also known as yucca or manioc. To grow cassava, 1. Start with healthy stem cuttings. Obtain them from disease-free plants, each about 15 to 30 cm long. 2. Choose a sunny location. Cassava needs full sunlight to thrive. 3. Prepare the soil. It prefers well-drained, sandy loamy soil. Clear the area of weeds and amend with organic matter if necessary. 4. Plant the cuttings. Plant them vertically or at a slight angle, with at least 1/3 of the cuttings length buried in the soil to ensure good root development. 5. Water regularly but don't overwater. Cassava is drought resistant but requires consistent moisture, especially during the establishment phase. 6. Wait and watch. Cassava takes about 9 to 12 months to mature. When the leaves turn yellow and start to fall, it